Imagine waking up in the morning and finding money in your bank account without lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, but in today's digital world, it's a reality for many. We'll explore the best ways to make money while you sleep. Number 1. Invest in stocks and dividends. First up, stocks and dividends. By investing in solid dividend-paying stocks, you earn passive income as companies share their profits. It requires some research, but once set up, your money works for you. Consider reinvesting dividends to grow your wealth over time. Apps like Robinhood, E-Trade, or Wealthfront can help you get started with as little as a few dollars. Number 2. Create and sell digital products. Next, digital products. If you have skills in writing, design, or music, consider selling ebooks, printables, or music tracks on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Amazon Kindle. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once, but they sell forever. Online courses and stock photos are also great options. If you're an expert in any field, consider making a step-by-step guide and selling it as an e-course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Ever recommended a product to a friend? With affiliate marketing, you get paid for doing just that. Share product links on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media, and earn commissions when someone makes a purchase through your link. Websites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share a Sale make it easy to get started. Some marketers earn thousands each month just by sharing useful products. Number 4. Rent out property or assets. Got extra space? Renting out a room on Airbnb or leasing property generates consistent passive income. And if you own a car or expensive equipment, consider renting those too. Websites like Turo allow you to rent out your car when you're not using it. Storage space rental is another overlooked way to earn. People are willing to pay just to keep their things in a secure place. Number 5. Start a blog or YouTube channel. Content creation is one of the most rewarding passive income streams. Starting a blog or YouTube channel can generate ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate earnings. The key is consistency. Post regularly, provide value, and your audience will grow. Once you hit a certain number of followers, you can also monetize with memberships and merchandise. You don't need fancy equipment, just a smartphone and some creativity. Making money while you sleep isn't just a dream. It's about setting up the right income streams today for a better tomorrow. The key is starting now and letting these strategies build over time. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tips. See you in the next one.